Annyeonghaseyo, this is Chef David. Okay, today we're going to make something very simple, shrimp pancake. Okay, so let us begin. We're going to firstly put in the eggs, the batter. So we're just going to mix it first. If you get some of this fly at the side, right, you don't have to worry, just leave it there. Okay, now we're going to throw in the vegetables. We're going to mix it some more. Okay, just about right now, we're going to throw in the sesame oil, pepper. You don't have to throw everything, just mix it. And then the salt. Okay, now you're going to put in the shrimp. Mix it well. There you have it. Okay, and I'm just going to pour the oil in. So we're going to scoop just a little, about 1 tablespoon. We're going to just put it in like this. Okay, so we're going to let it sit for a minute so that as it holds its shape, you can flip it over. After you flip over the pancake, you can see the browning at the side down here. Those are the one that is really crispy. It should look like this. They're all brown. Alright, this is crispy. Don't over fry it. Now we put it over here to drain out the oil. Okay, right now we're finished. We're going to plate it. Alright, this is your shrimp pancake. I hope you enjoy it. It's quite easy to make. You can just eat it as it is. Thank you. See you soon.